Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.